To the Confederation of Planetary Presidents, my name is Joel Vane, and I stand before you today to ask for immigration status to the other planets. In the past 70 years, mankind has spread out among the other planets using the patented Stokely-Bose star drive. This new rocket engine has allowed us to reach even Pluto in a matter of days. In addition, the creation of biodomes powered by Munley reactors has allowed humans to simulate near-Earth conditions. The global situation on Earth is becoming desperate. Weather systems have become violently unpredictable, with lightning storms scouring much of the northern hemisphere. Volcanic eruptions, while creating new land, had destroyed most of Northern California and all of Washington state. And the escalation of hostilities in the Eurasian states has created unlivable conditions across most of Europe and the Near East. I wish to specifically appeal to you, President Ares of Mars. I've spent the last 5 years honing a valuable skill in learning about your planet. Mars is the fourth planet in our solar system and is considered a terrestrial planet. This means that Mars is a dense and rocky world. The temperature of Mars is colder than we humans can normally tolerate, usually just 32 degrees Fahrenheit. However, it can get as low as minus 200 degrees Fahrenheit at the poles and up to 80 degrees Fahrenheit during the summer months in the middle latitudes. Mars has only 38% of the gravity of Earth. This means that my Earth weight of 250 pounds would translate to a Martian weight of just 95. Mars does have an atmosphere, but it's mostly carbon dioxide. This kind of atmosphere is poisonous to us humans, one of the main reasons we need to live in the domes. However, my specialty skill is in this area, hydroponic farming. More on this in a few moments. Mars has 2 known moons, one of Mars's unique features. Their names are Phobos and Deimos, named after the twin gods of fear and terror. Many scientists believe that these 2 moons are actually asteroids that wander too closely to Mars and were captured by its gravitational field. Mars is 1.5 astronomical units from the Sun, a distance of 139,500,000 miles. A Martian day is very similar to Earth's, revolving on its axis once every 24 hours and 40 minutes. However, Mars takes well over 600 days to rotate around the Sun one time, almost twice as long as Earth. We know that Mars has water ice beneath its sands. And with the ability to melt this ice, the early Martian colonists were able to create the #1 element necessary for life, liquid water. And this ability to have liquid water is the basis for the biodomes. Using this water for the creation of crops and oxygen-producing plants is my specialty. For the past 5 years, I have worked for several of the largest hydroponic corporations in both the Sahara and Antarctica, learning how to successfully produce food crops in some of the harshest conditions on the planet. In listening to the news, I know that this is an area of concern to you, Mr. President. I'm also an amateur geologist and archaeologist, earning my minor at the University of Florida. This could allow me to fill a dual role, exploring the magnificent Olympus Mons, the largest mountain in the solar system. This mountain is actually a dormant volcano that stands an unbelievable 15 miles high. Helping to uncover the mysteries of this volcano would be an honor and a joy. President Ares, I am also deeply interested in the digs that you are conducting in the Cydonia region of Mars. Especially on the face. This area is intensely interesting to me ever since we took photos of it back in the 1970s. Is the structure simply the result of natural erosion by the Martian sandstorms? Or is the area the remains of an ancient culture? The answers that we find could change the way that we look at our place in the universe forever. In conclusion, President Aries, I request immigration status to your planet. I know that my skills would prove beneficial to you and the colonies. I eagerly await your decision.